Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another streaming session, live streaming session here on Gold. So, yeah, let's go right into the analysis. Let's go to the daily time frame here. Yeah, something is not like, take a look right here. We have this insane printing of candles side by side on daily. So at this point, um, we don't have any, I mean, any direction right now. But let's drop the time frame and see if we can get something, some trades. Okay, so on 12-hour time frame, we kind of bearish, not gonna lie. We have this resistance right here, we kind of bearish. Let's drop even more on 8 hours. 8 hours actually prints like we have this resistance right here and this resistance right here, which I'm gonna move a bit higher, and the support, I'm gonna also delete this rectangle here. Okay, so we have this resistance and this support at this point right here. Now let's drop to the 4 hours. So the 4 hour time frame looks like very bearish, to be honest. Let's drop even more on 2 hour time frame. Also, it looks like very bearish. We have this support right at this point right here. Drop to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour basically moves nice. I can watch for a sell if we break below this level right here, which is happening right now. So I'm gonna enter in a sell for like to continue to this support level right here. It's kind of impulsive, but yeah, I like also the candles forming, printing this on 50-minute time frame. I know it's like a bit not earlier, but closing bearish. We have this minor support and minor resistance right here, and at this point I can see like maybe we can go to this support level right here. Okay, it's kind of fast, but yeah, I expect some moves, to be honest. So something like that. Uh, yeah, kind of a lot of bearish pressure. Also, we break again the low on the daily time frame here. Yeah, on the 1 hour and 30-minute time frame looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, looks pretty bearish for me. At least for me, it looks pretty bearish. So yeah, maybe we can get to this level right here, and then I can secure some, I guess. So yeah, at this point it looks like it looks okay. Looks good on 1 hour too. So maybe it can break below this level and can watch to continue this move. Also, let's go to the GPGPY to analyze a bit of this pair too. So actually on pound yen we have this analysis, but let's do a fresh analysis. So I'm gonna delete all of this stuff and make a fresh analysis here. What I can see on daily is this resistance support level right here. It was resistance and now it's a support because candle printing above it and close above. So I'm gonna take this as a resistance. Also, I'm gonna as a support. Also, I'm gonna mark this as a resistance right over here, and I'm gonna put like this horizontal line to mark this like that. Okay, and also we have for a target these wicks right here. So I guess I'm gonna put something like that. This rectangle is good. There's up to 12-hour time frame, kind of bearish from 12 hour. Let's drop to the 8 hours, 4 hours. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish at this point, but we also have this minor support right here, which I guess if we can close on lower time frames below this, we can move to the downside to this the last support that we have with like 50 pips, I guess. Or that's no, that's yeah, 50 pips on 1 hour. Yeah, I guess if we can get a candle closing below this support level right here, we have good clean traffic to the left hand side. Yeah, looks good. Closure on 30 minutes or 1 hour below this level, we can get some sales. Move back to the gold. We have an impulsive move here. We break below this 1 hour candle here. Oh, we kind of reject that. Yeah, I'm waiting for some candles to be printing at this point. Yeah, it kind of looked like a very good downside, a very good move to the downside at this point right here, even though we don't have such a good structure on the left hand side, because we had like low volume and volatility at this area right here. So yeah, if I'm gonna take a look only on the current candle, the current candle start to break below, start to form, like we have this closure bearish, kind of pretty good entry right here, and then a break below. So yeah, I guess we can continue moving down at this point, but also we need to wait for some candle to be printing. Okay, let's go take a look on the Bitcoin. We analyzed Bitcoin yesterday, so right now we have yeah, we're still in this range. So we're still in this range. I see more bearish to Bitcoin, to be honest. I see it even more bearish. Even more bearish. I don't know where the bearish impulse will come, but I've seen it. I might take sales then rather than buys. So yeah. Yeah, kind of interesting day. Interesting day here. I took this sell like when I came to the charts, because it was a very nice push to the downside, a very nice candle moves, a candle formation right here. So it was this drop, then a candle printing with a lower bullish body, and a very big wick to the upside, and then we have a break. So after the break, I took a sell. So yeah, and now I might wait for something to happen, but the target will be right here, and then maybe we can break below these wicks and maybe continue to the next type of support that we have on the daily time frame, which is right over here. And the next one is where we have these big rejection, which is somewhere over here. Let me drop to the, yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. These rejection, these big rejection. But at this point, I guess if we can break some lows on 12 hours and something like that, we can move even more to the downside. So yeah, kind of bearish. Also, let's take a look to the news. I don't take a look at the news, so let's go for the Forex Factory here. You can see it, but I'm on the Forex Factory. We don't have any news. We had some news at 2:30 p.m., which was unemployment claims. It was close to the expectations, so I guess the markets are moving. I mean, are moving based more on the technical that we have, so something like that. But yeah, all what we have to do right now is to wait for something to happen, for candles to print. I mean, we have I don't know, with this our time zone changes and hour changes, I don't know what when the 2 hour and 4 hour candles would close. Let me take a quick look on TradingView here. Let's go for products. Let's see if I can put it right there, and you can, guys, you can watch it on on the live. Oh, you can't, you cannot. I guess you can't, so fuck that, dude. Let's see if I can. I don't know how to add source properties, I guess. Oh, I only can I can choose. I don't like that, dude. I don't like this. Why don't capture audio multi-adapter cursor? I don't know. Yeah. See if I can make another source here. Display capture. Okay. Automatic. Private monitor. This one. Oh, okay. Let's get at. Perfect. It was like. Okay. I don't know if you can see this right now. Let me take a look on my own on YouTube here. Wait a second. So let's see how this is going on the live stream. So right here. Oh, yeah, I can see. I can see right now. So let me take a look if we can do this. Oh, okay. Now we good. So now we good. And I guess you can see all the desktop, the setup right now. Yeah, it's better. Okay, it's better. Okay, it's better. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna stick with that. And yeah, let's wait for something to happen right here. I see that we are like 2 or 3 people on live. Nice, man. 3 people, it's a lot for me because you know I usually don't have nobody. So anyway, so yeah, this one I'm gonna take a look here for some targets for gold. Also for the pound yen, told you like if I can get this hourly candle close below this support, I mean below all these weeks, we can also take a trade because we have this clean traffic to the left hand side, which is 40 pips, and for GJ it's a lot of, I mean not a lot, but it's enough. It's enough space. So yeah, I guess it might work after the break on 8 hours and 12 hour lows here. So yeah, it might work. Also, I told you on Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin, it's kind of bearish to me. Hello, friend. Hello. How's it going, man? How's it going there? Are you at work or are you free now? How's it going? What's the vibe to Borcha, man? What is the vibe there? What's the vibe on your side? On south side, man. What is the vibe? Oh, and also, guys, can you tell me like is the music okay? It is like too loud, or it's like you can hear it? It's all set, all good. Oh, so yeah, I was like, I need to watch the 2 hour. Oh, the 2 hour is actually closed in like 15 minutes. At 5 p.m. Yo, what's up, man? At 5 p.m. it's about to close the 2 hour time frame. Let's see the 4 hour. Oh, the 4 hour is about to close in like 2 hours. So, okay. This might work. I guess. For this 4 hour candle to move a lot more than I expected. So yeah, I kind of like this black screen on TradingView, but yeah, I chose the white one on the MetaTrader. I don't know why. So yeah, yesterday I took a loss, so I kept some buys around this area right here, and I guess somewhere lower, but then I got stopped out here. So yeah, shit happens, you know. I got some losses. I had like free buys, so I had like free buys here, and then yeah, it was a bit too much, like as I said, like shit happens, dude. Never knew. But yeah, the thing is like I stopped trading for the day and then I just came back today. The flex is that you can came back every single day, so kind of good with that. Good. The 50-minute candle closed bearish, something like that. Not too bad, not too good. You know, we still have room to the downside, but yeah, well, it looks okay. It looks okay. Hourly breaks the low. 2 hour is like close to the closure in like 30 minutes. Yeah, kind of wait. We have to wait here. What's going on, Sebi? Sebi free. What's going, man? How's the weather in Buzău City? When you came back here, man? When are you came back? Cause you know it's boring out there, man. It's boring. Boring. All I have to do, sun and hot. Saturday. On Saturday. Oh, you came back on Saturday. Nice, man. If you are free on Saturday, or I don't know the hour you came back here, but if you're free on Saturday, on Sunday, sorry, if you're free on Sunday, because on Saturday I'm full, man. But on Sunday, if you are gonna be free, maybe you can go like outside, smoke some, you know, drink some. Have a good time. Things like that. Things like that, dude. Okay. I'm gonna leave this right here because it's like easy to me to see the time the time when the candle is about to close. So yeah, looks more beautiful, and it's easy to me. I can take you on a day, man. Is something wrong? Is that wrong or what? You don't wanna come to date me? I mean, we both traders. I don't know who the fuck is gonna pay for what we consume, but I mean, at least we can talk about trading and still have no fucking money, dude. That's interesting about trading, man. You can talk about it all day. You can trade all day long and still have no fucking money. Like, this job is insane, man. I mean, at this point we work like for 8 hours at work, and then came back and work like, yeah, we work like 2 more hours or 3 more hours on these live, and still get no paid, no fucking money, dude. Like, what the fuck? The fuck is wrong with us, man? Some stupid retards who like work a lot and have no money. Who you can tell that, man? Who you can tell that you work on some side hustle shit and still have no money, dude? Who's gonna believe you? You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's not nice. Also, dude. All right. So yeah, yesterday Trump speaks. I hear not that much from the interview or for the press conference, but he said something that blah blah blah. America is great, is the greatest. Blah blah blah. We make money. Blah blah blah. We got like free gas and oil and shit like that. Blah blah blah. Fuck this shit. Like he said something like America it's had a very good economy and we have like a lot of jobs. We're gonna print a lot of jobs and we gotta have some like you know what I'm saying, like very low prices, or we got very good paychecks and things like that. And probably this is why gold is dropping. I don't see other facts because the numbers are like pretty okay. Let's take a look. So let me wait a second. So Forex Factory here. Yeah, let's put it right there. So yeah, basically the numbers are like on unemployment claims for the expecting numbers. We have less numbers from the last reveal of the unemployment claims, but you know it's still a high. It's still high. A lot of numbers. I mean, high number here, and we still got a drop. But yep. Do we have what do we have tomorrow? So tomorrow 2:30 we have um price index, core price index, and GDP data. Oh, also at 4 p.m. we got Joel's job opening. So yeah, the job. Raja have a fucking jokes for these jobs openings when it reveals. I forget about it, but yeah, he said something about the jobs Joel's opening. So yeah, funny. So yeah, um, we good, dude. I also have a lot of energy today, man. It was a very good day. Today was a good day. Let's see what these candles about to do. 2 hours about to close in 5 minutes. 5 minutes right here. I mean, these fucking 2 hours candles hopefully will not, it's not about to make a fucking huge wick to the upside. But if it can stay like that low to the low side of this support here, we'll be good. We'll be fine. We'll be fine for a trade. Kind of goes a lot back on profit. How many pips? Yeah, 90 pips. Yeah, that's good. I guess that's good. Very good. Didn't want to pips, but still. I want to wait. To be honest, I want to wait. Even though with all of these resistances and wicks right here, I want to wait because something's gonna happen. You know, gold printing side by side a lot of time, and maybe tomorrow or today, but something might happen. You know what I'm saying? Because there's like fucking side by side, and yeah, of course, the best area that I can see right now is this one right here. This one right here is the best area you can take your profits off, and also the best area to trade is below this resistance, this support right here, with this major support right here. And this is why I want to see if we can break on 2 hour and continue moving to the downside. Maybe I can leave this trade a bit longer, so not just right here. But yeah, you never knew, so shit happens also in the markets, and we have to understand that we are trading gold. At this point, if you said that you're trading gold, you gotta be like fucking very careful with what you're doing, man. Very, very careful. Because look what happened in the past. Look what happened in the past with gold. So we got a drop, then push up, and then a drop, and then push up, and then like it's fucking like what the fuck is wrong with that? So yep. And also the most annoying part is that you have to wait for a good move. But when it happens, yeah, it happens. So yep. Yeah, let's see. Two more minutes. Let's go to trading view. Yeah, 2 more minutes, 4 days, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. Yeah, at this point, I like the way this 50-minute candle prints. I like that. Cause it's like good body, good bearish body, which means we have bears in control at this point. And maybe if we are not taking up these highs on 1 hour and 30 minutes time frame right here, I think we're good. We're good to drop more, even more. Let me take a look. Actually, let me put some like a line right here for 2 hour time frame. How far is that low? So it's about 200 pips. Yeah, I guess we might go down, even though if we are not making a fucking 200 pips wick to the upside. So yeah. And I also like the structure right here. That's a very good entry. Very good entry right here. Break below, stop kept right here. Yeah, pretty nice. But also we have to wait for things to happen right here. Also let me draw something. So for my see how these candles are formed. Yeah, perfect, nice candles formation here, dude. Oh, what? Nice candles formation. I don't like it on 5 minutes, but fuck 5 minutes, dude. 5 minutes means none. Good, so we have a candle close right here. It's 5 p.m. evening. Oh my god, nice drop here. A bit of wick and then a drop. We almost take up this low. We break below this low. Maybe we can get even more on the drop to this side. But yeah, good bearish action here. Good bearish action. I like how candle print like boom on the downside. Boom. And can continue now. Okay, pretty nice. So far so good. So far so good. Let's see if we can break below this. Let's see if we can break below these wicks right here and continue moving to the downside. Also the 8 hours and 4 hours are still open. This is the low on 8 hours and 4 hours right here. If we can break this low, maybe we can hit this support level here. Kind of good support level right there. Okay, come on, go drop, man. Drop like Trump says. USD is fucking strong. Why you keep staying on the upside, dude? Trump is never wrong. Trump's never wrong. Oh, and also he said something that he actually made fun of Iran. He said that they conquer their air force and their bases and their radars down in like 3 hours or something like that, and he started to make fun on that and said that we the greatest, we destroy them like in 3 hours, we got them air bases and blah blah blah. So yeah, the man is crazy, dude. That man is fucking crazy. Let me do my analysis right here. Yeah, that man is, it's crazy. But maybe if we lose money on the fucking moves. Wait, where was the moves yesterday? Wait, let me see. Right here. Yep, right over here. If we lose money in this in that consolidation, which was right over here, now the market starts today almost from here. So we got another retest, and then we can continue with some drops. Maybe, hopefully, a lot of harder drops. So yeah. Yeah, kind of nice drops here. Maybe if we can get below this support level, I can secure some, or I can secure right now. Oh, we almost hit it. Yeah, let's secure something here. Or should I let it run more? Should I let it run? Nah, I'm gonna secure. Fuck it, man. I'm not gonna risk that much. And also I'm gonna place stops to break even, because at this point, I mean, yeah, if you can drop even more, I'm okay with that. Let me place the TPs maybe here. Put a stop there. Okay. Yeah, at this point, I guess if you're gonna hit this, we're good. But yeah, nice secure. Look at this. Nice secure here, dude. That was very nice secure. Nice. Maybe we can continue even more to the downside. I mean, shit can happen. Come on, dude. Oh. Okay. Yeah, at this point we gotta wait. Yeah, nice drops, dude. Nice drops. Look at this 15-minute time frame here. Let's go to our, yeah, if some candles can close below this area, I'm gonna mark the area with red. That'll be red here, because nah, this is brown. Give me red. Fire brick, not fire brick. Where is, oh, red is right here. Okay, red. What? Make it red, dude. Okay, so if you can break and close below this red area right here, or in the red area, I think I'm gonna re-entry in some trades right here. But only if we can break and close in or below the red area. Other than that, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna let it run, and pretty much that's it. If it's about to stop, hit my stop, I'll be okay. Well, I guess. Oh. I'll do that. Wait. Put it right there, dude. Okay, go to the downside. We have for 50 minutes. I don't know on 50 minutes, but on 30 minutes, I guess if you can break and close, we have like a wick to the upside and then continue moving down. I can take another position here. So far so good anyway, but yeah, we gotta wait. We gotta wait to see what's happening on gold. But on higher time frames, yeah, look, we can break these 12-hour low and also this low, and then hit this wonderful wicks rejection, huge area of support. So yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait 30 more minutes. I mean 20 more minutes to see what's happened. And if it's about to have a good push to the downside, if I'm gonna miss the trade or the trade, I'll be just fine. I don't like to see the money grows and things on that. So, yeah. Oh, nice drop. Nice. Oh my god. Nice fucking drop, dude. Amazing drop. Amazing, 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 amazing. Fucking huge, amazing drop. You know what? I think. Hmm. Nah, I don't have to close it right now. I'm gonna let it run. Nah, we break below all of these lows. We have room to the downside at least here. Yeah, we have way far the stop loss for this position. I guess we can get some. Actually, I've seen many times shit happen like that, and but that was a very nice push. Fucking hell. No re-entry, no re-entry, but I guess we can continue moving to the downside at this point here. This shit is so bearish, dude. Anyway, nice drop. This is why I increased my stop right here. I increase it because my not my stop. I increased the lot size because that was a very nice structure. When I see these kind of structures, I'm gonna risk it. So I'm just gonna risk it, dude. Let's see how these 15 minutes about to close and things. At least here, I think we're good. I don't know if you can get another entry on the 1 minute time frames, because at that point it can goes to the upside. Maybe to make a retest or not. Or maybe if we can get a nice structure here on 1 minute, because I've seen like, what the fuck, this just went so fast, moved so fast. We kind of have a confirmation that it breaks below all of these wicks and stuff. Maybe on 5 minutes or 1 minute, if we can get a bearish candle, like a push and close again in this area, we can have a re-entry because we got back to this red zone. Okay, we have a 15-minute candle close here. Nice. I think we can have a drop here. Maybe I can sell this. Let's sell again. Let's sell again and see if we can like continue moving to the downside at this point here. Maybe filling this week or continue moving to the downside part here. Because we got this on 15-minute candles. I re-entry because I do like this structure, to be honest. Maybe you can continue moving down and have this. We have some clean traffic maybe below this area. Yeah, on 15 we have a very nice close here. Maybe, yep, maybe there's a good point of a stop loss. Overtake profit, sorry, so yeah, we might see. But yeah, we got a close. We can continue moving down. Let's see if we can continue. And we also have like 2 free candles almost bearish on the 1 minute, so maybe that was just a rejection. Yeah. As long as we have some candles printing below this area, we save. And we also have a nice area. Right over here, 5091, 5090 flat. So to the 5090 flat, let's move this to 5090, 5090 flat. 5090 flat, and also this right here can be a 5090 flat TP. Okay, we kind of make a wick on the 50-minute here. I'll take another decision on the 30-minute when the 30-minute time frame candle it's about to close. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close to see what should I do next. But at this point, I'm gonna keep the trades like that. So yeah, I gotta wait at this point. Gotta wait. We are gonna wait for this motherfucker to close. Okay, so the 5 minute candles are printing up above this area. The 50-minute candle closed a bit bullish. 30-minute candle, yeah, it kind of closed above this support that we had. I mean, what kind of support do we have? Oh, it closed near to the initial support that we have. I want to see how it's gonna move in the next time frame. So yeah. Yeah, it still looks bearish. Still looks bearish. Still have like bearish momentum here. Maybe we can continue moving down. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Maybe. Yeah, looks pretty okay. Not much of a. It's not a big candlelight. Also, the 1 hour is closed. It's open, so yeah, we gotta wait. Take a look at that. Yeah, right now it's like I'm very, I don't know, 50-minute candle. We have like two 50-minute candle close bullish. This one don't break low but bring the high here. It's still kind of, I don't know, man. Maybe later on it can drop even more, but based on the structure that it made right now, it's like even more, it's like more bullish, to be honest. Yeah, I guess I'm not gonna take these. I'm not gonna let this run anymore, because I mean, this looks not is not bearish anymore. So yeah, the 5 minutes start to print upside. Maybe it can move a lot upside. So also the 1 hour, the 30-minute candle, it kind of maybe it may be like retesting some areas. It may be retesting some areas, but it still looks a bit bullish. I mean, one more push and I'm out of the trade. Yeah, something like that. One more push and I'm out. Don't like how it is. So yeah, if it's gonna break above, I'm not gonna take this anymore. So yeah, I'll be good with the loss and win that I had at this point. But nah, I'm nah, I'm okay. You know, cause yeah, at this point, if it's gonna break the high, I'm gonna close all my position and call it a day. Close my position, call it a day. I'm okay. I'm fine. I have these two scenarios. $184. Mm-hmm. I have these two scenarios. It either continue moving downside and start to break below these areas, or either break above the high and I'm gonna close and call it a day. These two scenarios. I only have these two scenarios. So yeah, based on that, I'm gonna call it a day and I'll be good. Mm-hmm. So yeah, at this point, anything is about these levels. So 51, 37, 51, 37, 200. Where is that? Oh, a bit higher, I guess. What's above that? I'm gonna close. Because, 30 minutes is not closing, but the 50 minutes time frame is like, nope. I don't like it. Start to print above, so yeah, at this point it's very risky to take to risk this anymore. So yeah, I'll be good with maybe a break even day or something like that, or a bit not that much of profit, but anyway, just because I had this position right here, which it seems good, but you know what I'm saying, I should let it more let the candle close, but yeah, I guess we never knew. So yeah, that's okay. We'll see how this is about to happen here. Also, the second scenario, if let's say this candle will start to print below this and like start to break the lows, if that happens, so if we start break below this low, if that's happened, yeah, that's a lot of that'll be a lot of money made from these trades. But at this point right here, I'm sure almost 80% that the stop's gonna be hit. Almost 80%, because we need a candle close with a big body, a big bearish body. But yes, I'm gonna close the stream. I'm not gonna remove the stops, and I'm not gonna re-entry. I'm not gonna remove the TPs. I'm just let it like the way it is right now. So yeah, whatever happens, I'll be fine. But I'm gonna close the stream. So see you